Welcome to the future of home robots. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology, presenting you with the top 5 smart personal home robots that are redefining convenience and revolutionizing the way we live in 2023. From intelligent companions to diligent assistants, these robots are no longer confined to science fiction. They're real, they're here, and they're ready to transform your everyday life. Join us as we explore their remarkable capabilities, sleek designs, and the endless possibilities they bring to modern living. So, whether you're looking for a helping hand in the kitchen, a playmate for your children, or a guardian for your home security, these robots have got it all covered. Get ready to meet your new robotic companions, the ones that understand you, adapt to your needs, and seamlessly integrate into your smart home ecosystem. So without further ado, let's dive into our carefully curated list of the top 5 smart personal home robots you can buy in 2023. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out on the incredible future we're about to unveil. Welcome to the future, welcome to your new robotic life. Don't miss the revolution, stay tuned. 5. Temi. Temi is a voice-activated personal assistant robot, recently selected by Israel's Ministry of Defense, to assist medical teams in COVID-19 wards in the country. This cobot on wheels is capable of recognizing and following people around the house, making video calls, replying to user questions, playing music, or carrying small objects from room to room. The robot is equipped with cameras and laser radars and can communicate with the world through Amazon's personal assistant Alexa. To help fight against COVID-19, medical teams can operate it remotely and send it to perform various tasks. The robots can gradually replace humans with tasks like taking patients' temperatures, delivering medications or antibiotics to patients, and distributing food. 4. Lumo. Lumo, the world's first mobile robot sidekick, is a revolutionary concept created by Segway Robotics. It serves as both a mini personal transporter and an autonomous mobile robot sidekick, adapting to users' needs and desires. Lumo's self-balancing capability ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven terrains. Its auto-follow function allows users to focus on their journey without manually controlling the robot. Lumo's user-friendly interface allows for voice commands, gestures, and touch sensors to control and command the robot. Its advanced emotion engine creates a friendly personality, expressing empathy, joy, and enthusiasm, forging an emotional bond with its users. Lumo's exceptional battery capacity allows it to travel 22 miles on a single charge, making it a reliable and indispensable travel companion. The free Android-based SDK provides opportunities for developers and enthusiasts to unlock Lumo's full potential, allowing them to create custom applications, personalize Lumo's behavior, and explore new frontiers in robotics and artificial intelligence. Lumo embodies a convergence of cutting-edge technology and unparalleled creativity, redefining the relationship between humans and robots. 3. Walker. Walker, a bipedal humanoid robot by Chinese company UBTech Robotics, stands at 4.75 feet, 1.45 meters, and weighs 170 pounds. It is an agile and intelligent companion with advanced features that set it apart from conventional robots. Its dexterous hands enable it to grasp and manipulate objects with precision, allowing for human-robot interaction and collaborative activities. Walker's refined torso incorporates self-balancing technology, ensuring stable walking even in challenging environments. Its multimodal interaction, combining voice, vision, and touch capabilities, enables it to communicate with humans. Walker's advanced voice recognition system and sophisticated vision system enhance situational awareness and understanding. Walker's sensing systems enable it to navigate its surroundings and respond dynamically to external stimuli, making it a valuable asset in dynamic and unpredictable environments. As UBTech Robotics refines and updates Walker, its capabilities expand, showcasing the potential of humanoid robotics. With each progressive update, Walker's potential is boundless, offering unparalleled assistance, support, and companionship. 2. Anki Vector. Anki's Vector is an autonomous social robot, which can independently navigate and self-charge. This companion robot, made to hang out and help out, is voice-activated and will answer questions, take photos for you, time dinner, and show the weather. It can recognize people and avoids obstacles. If you set up Alexa on your Vector, you'll be able to set reminders, control smart home devices like lights, speakers, and thermostats. The robot has facial recognition, large expressive LED eyes, and can seem to know when large animals are nearby and react. In 2019, Anki went bankrupt and closed down its operations. But recently, the company's assets have been purchased by Digital Dream Labs, which now intends to restore the entire platform and continue development. 1. Loveit. Loveit is a simple yet surprisingly advanced, friendly little robot, designed to spread love and comfort the lonely. Made by Japanese robotic startup GrooveX, it features at least 10 CPU cores and 20 or more microcontrollers. It has a minimum of 50 sensors, including touch, pressure, distance, obstacles, heat, and humidity. Loveit can learn from daily interactions, recognize people, especially the owner, and greet people when they come. This pint-sized mobile robot can navigate its environment. It has 13 degrees of freedom, and its body can move along 13 axes of motion. A full battery charge allows it to move around and interact for about 45 minutes. Recharging takes about 15 minutes. Loveit's most prominent feature is its sensor horn, which comes with a luminosity sensor, a 360-degree half-sphere camera, a half-sphere microphone that can detect the direction of sounds and voices, and a thermal camera that can distinguish human beings from objects.